Alright, it's going.
Look, are they putting their poison out? Is that why that's...
No, they're just kicking around.
But look, the water's glowing. I mean, the gasoline is glowing.
No, they're just kicking around. They're like in the gas bath.
Oh no, that one looks like it's stinging itself. Doesn't it, right there? It looks like it's trying to sting itself.
No, I don't think so.
Pretty sure it's stinging itself.
Libby, why would it sting itself?
I don't know, maybe it's stupid. Maybe it's like a slow one. Maybe you gave it a brain injury.
Okay, well, let's burn them.
Okay, you want to hold this?
Yep. Can you toss it in from afar?
Yeah. Is this safe? What we're doing right now?
We'll find out. I'm going to stand back a little bit.
Oh.
Drop it.
Oh.
Die, you evil demons! Die!
How long is that going to burn?
Not very long.
We probably should have moved that away from the house.
It's not going to get the house, babe. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's awesome. I maybe put too much gas. What do you think?
Yeah. Oh, they're sizzling. Oh, it's melting, it's melting. What should we do?
Shoot.
Ah. Oh gosh.
It's okay.
Should I go get some water?
No.
Really?
Here, hold this.
DJ, are you sure we shouldn't go get some water?
Oh, jeez. Chalk it up to good ideas.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna kick it in the rocks. Where's that stick?
I don't know, but hurry and get it. It's inside the garage.
Oh, it is. I got
Yeah.
that here.
Okay. Ooh, oh my gosh, my bougainvillea, get it away, get it away. DJ, I'm gonna go get some water.
Oh, you don't want to pour water on it. It's gas.
What do we do?
I think we killed them, though.
Yeah, I think they're dead.
Yeah.
We also destroyed our bucket.
That burned like way better than I thought. I put way too much gas. Yeah. Tell all your friends. That's what happens. Can you see him there?
Yeah, you can't see him in the video though.
There's the one right there.
There's a barbecued scorpion. Right there on the edge.
Right when I got down to look at the bucket, it started to sag. It's all, let's do this. Outside the bucket.
That's what it says.
Yeah, it's a Home Depot bucket. It's just the plastic burning now.
Oh man.
We probably could
Put it out.
put it out.
Because how are we gonna get it out of those rocks?
Well, I'll just pour a bunch of water on it.
I know, but the plastic is melting onto our rocks. All right, little scorpions. You evil little creatures. We killed you. Don't come back.